I've made some little pots a little bit more decorative. I'm gonna hang these up on the fence and put some herbs or something. I've done a video on this. I'll pop it up. I've just jazzed them up a little bit, so I'll pop that up so you can see. I've got some strawberries in these, but I don't like these pots. I'm hoping I can transfer them. Let's have a look without killing them. Is that a good idea? I'm not sure this is a good idea. I might kill them. tomato. Got some tomatoes. Tomato. Tumbling Tom tomatoes. Now, do they need full sun? Are they going to work here? Do they need full sun? I'll give them one a go. Let's have a go over here. Right, I've got to bring gravel in. I need some more gravel. I've run out of gravel, so I'll have to go get some more gravel there. But I think I need to get some larger gravel for back here. That's just going to disappear into the soil eventually. But now we've got it all laid. Tomatoes. I need some plants and some herbs to go into them. I don't know if you can see them, the sun's so bright. But I've done a video on how I've done those. I'll pop that up next week. So I'll get some herbs in those and some more plants. For those there, I've got an absolutely, I've decided not to put a day bed here because I think it'll be too big. So I've actually put, I bought a cast iron bench to go here. It's absolutely beautiful. So that's coming tomorrow. What your dog is doing down here? With that, I put these edging stones in as well. The reason why I put them in was to stop this gravel going into there. And I've gone and put it in there anyway, haven't I? But I think I will need to put some bigger gravel down there. But it's looking okay so far. I fixed my step because my step, I had to extend it underneath there because when I stood on it, it broke. So what I've done is I've moved it over. But that edge don't bother me, because by the time I put some plants in and stuff, you won't see that. And it is cottage garden. Take those flags out. Got my wisteria in and some lilies. I think the lilies, and whatever that pink thing is. I've got my lavender that I brought from back garden. I'll put that somewhere else. I don't know where I'm putting it yet. I'll just plant them there for now. I shall get some plants that will grow along there and cover the wall. But so far, wait while you see the bench. Absolutely stunning. I think I'll put that Tommy tomato in back garden. So I've got one strawberry, one tomato. We'll see how they do out here. And I've planted some more plants up at the top. Come on, Enza. Put some more plants in here. These daisy things. I filled a few more gaps in. Still need some more to fit. My idea is to fill it so much with plants weeds won't come up. I brought my hosta from the back garden and put that in there as well. And there we have it. So far so good. Just have to go get some more gravel or some big stones. Yeah, some pebble type stones, and do something about the edge there, otherwise all that soil is just going to come in. So I get some bricks or something and put some bricks along. But so far it's looking good. I'm really pleased with that, but I'm glad it's over.